Hey guys, I'm using my light.
It's definitely a magic wand.
We are out to Bonfire Night.
What trick are you doing?
It's a surprise. They do they're doing it in the park near our house. So we're gonna stay in the car instead of being in the cold in the park. There's always spots around where you can just park and watch them without having to go into the soggy field. So we just got here 6:30. We're going to 6:30 and it starts at 7:15. In a bowl of water. So I'm sure I'll be able to see it when it starts to leave the car. But the kids are all dressed in God how many layers. This one's wearing his gown, his jacket, his scarf. Same with Faith. I'm wearing I got my cover and Steve's jumper.
Oh, what's that? I can see something, little bits over there.
It's not started yet.
I can see it here. Or is it that far?
You can't see everyone, it's too dark. Put on the front lights, guys.
Dad. No, they've started.
No, what's at the end over there?
No, they've started.
Oh, can you see
They
yourself?
have started. I don't know if you can see it.
Can you see yourself?
Oh my, like here, it was like, it looks
Because you're in the shadow or something. Where's Georgia? There we are, we can see.
I can do a magic trick with this. Oh yeah, do the, also do the bendy magic one.
I'm still tired from yesterday.
Look at that, the
And my
bendy
head
one.
still hurts.
Daddy, I'm even, the camera, look
So
at me.
the camera. I need sleep.
Camera, look at me. Oh. And the bendy wand.
And now my camera says battery's low. Waste, man. Anyway, I'm gonna save this battery for.
Is a bendy. I don't think they can see it.
I'll save it for later. No. So guys, this is why last year we walked down instead of driving.
Lay down, Faith.
We sat here for the last
20 minutes.
probably 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Ow.
And the cars are not moving at all. It's like gridlock. Everybody's going. Probably people are just even driving the wrong way because we're supposed to exit that way, but there's cars over this side that are going that way.
And there's children.
So I'm thinking, where's the exit? Everybody's going different ways. So if Steve actually left to go home because I had left on something in the oven, so he's walked home so the house doesn't get burnt down. So next year we are gonna walk home. We're not driving here. You think when you just think about the fun, but the getting out, boy. So I don't know how long we're gonna be here for. I wouldn't be surprised if we're here for an hour.
It's a bit
waiting
hard
to get out.
sleep, but I'm going.
I mean, the other side on the road, you see cars moving. There's no traffic, so I don't know what the hell's going on downstairs. But the struggle is very real. All this for fireworks. Morning, guys. Hope you're well. It's Monday. It's Monday. We woke up late. Woke up at 7. I'm supposed to wake up around 6, woke up at 7, and so yeah, it's only because we went to Bonfire Night last night and we didn't get out of the whole traffic, which took forever. We didn't get out of the traffic till 8. The bonfire finished around 20 past 20 something. We didn't get out of there till like maybe 8 something. And the bonfire thing is like 5 minutes away from our house, so there you go. And then we had to get home to give the kids dinner because we didn't have dinner. So by the time I put the kids to bed, it was like 9 o'clock. So everybody was tired, and I was still tired from Saturday, but at least the headache is gone. So we're just gonna get ready to go to work. Drop Steve to work, get the kids to school. At least Steve is not working early this week, so I'm happy about that. He starts at 8:30 this week, so he's not doing 8. Was he doing 8 before? Yeah, I think I was doing 8 last 2 weeks. So this week is doing 8:30, which is good. So, but yeah, I need to put this camera on charge. I think I'm gonna leave it at home. Oh, and I washed my hair yesterday. It feels so nice and fresh. Now we don't, when you wash your hair and you're like, you can feel the air on your scalp and it's so clean. Don't tell me it's starting to rain. It was so freezing yesterday. Oh my god, it was. I mean, where we parked, it was on top of it's a parking lot, so we went to the top floor, and we stood outside for like, right, you know, so we didn't have to leave the car, so we just got out of the car and we stood there for maybe, I don't know, 10 minutes or something. I was frozen in like 5. It was freezing. It's always freezing on Bonfire Night. It's never warm. So we took the gowns and the scarves and everything, but it still was cold. So I'm thinking today is gonna probably be cold as well. So kids, I've given the kids the gloves, and I think I will give them the scarves as well. Don't think they need the hats yet. But yeah, let me put this camera on charge before it cuts us off while we're talking, and I'll see you later. Good morning, my people. Oh, see this clown here.
And we owe her a major debt.
Ridiculous. He's ridiculous. You're ridiculous. You and Trump are ridiculous. This dude just won.
Now it's time.
He won.
For America to bind the wounds of the
I feel sorry for Americans.
Kanye West, when you running for?
Kanye gonna win.
Well, that's what they said about Trump. What they said about Obama.
Shh. I can't even hear it.
As one united people.
This dude.
Comment down
Wait. Fifi, can you please move?
I pledge.
Can he actually change the national anthem and everything? Can he paint the White House blue or red?
No.
He could.
No.
What if you wanted to?
No, he's not allowed to. He's not allowed to paint the White House red.
Maybe there's a law against it.
No, it's called the White House, not the Red House.
Oh.
It's the White House.
Oh.
Staying white.
Oh, Fifi, next president.
No,
Oh.
I don't want it to change. It's called the White House. I don't want it to change.
Look, she's
to
got
red.
the, can you zoom into the stars? She's got the stars.
Dad, it's just a Star Wars.
Oh my god.
Zoom in.
I don't need to
No, let me see the next
zoom
president,
in.
man.
Ours was not a campaign, but rather an incredible and great movement. Made up of millions
For money.
of hardworking men and women
Sorry. How
who
much
love
money?
their country and want a better, brighter future for themselves
No.
and for their family.
No, you want a better country for yourself.
It's a movement comprised of Americans from all races, religions, backgrounds, and beliefs.
This is so sad. I saw this guy, this Asian guy on there saying, oh, he was on Trump's side, and he was saying, oh, and then this woman was interviewing him saying, oh, but you're from Afghanistan or something, you're one of the countries they're gonna stop from coming in. And like, oh no, that's not what he meant. I'm like, oh yeah, watch, he gonna put you and your little family on that train or that flight and take you back, and you voted for him.
Listen.
And he was like, oh, he was only talking about the Al-Qaeda and stuff. No, he said the country. He didn't say Al-Qaeda. He said the actual country.
I've gotten to know
So you think you're special not to be...
It's going to be
May.
I'm trying to listen to the president.
forgotten no longer.
Goodbye, America. Goodbye.
We are going to fix
Oh,
our inner cities.
Time for change.
Africans run. Run. You know that song? That do 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 do. Run. What's that? Yeah. Run, Africans.
By the way, second.
He gonna make it so hard for people to get paid for the last country, mate. What is it that they get? Yellow card, red card? What is it? The card the Americans get?
I don't know nothing about America systems. I'm gonna get something, but
Take care of our great country.
Giorgio, you're gonna drive over your sister's foot.
We've been so
Anyway.
and I've gotten to know so many.
Happy Wednesday.
No, it's not Happy Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday.
Spent with them during this day.
I will stick to my Brexit. Thank you very much.
My greatest honors.
This is way better than American right about now.
Brexit, Trump victory.
Talents of our
Actually, most of the countries saw him as a joke. So how they gonna work with him? Are they gonna refuse to work with him then?
They're gonna learn. We're talking too
We
much.
have a great
They're gonna learn.
I just don't see it. This dude talks like, excuse me,
Guys,
hello?
at the same
You man stopping screaming like banshees.
Well, Mom's not screaming.
get along
okay,
with
well,
Yeah, this guy, he talks like the guy down the street. Like, he kept calling Hilton?
no dream is
Hillary
no challenge.
Clinton. He kept calling her, oh, you're a loser. You'll be in prison. He's like a kid, like a toddler or something. A kid like arguing with another friend like, you're a loser. I'm thinking, how you gonna run a country?
so he's a commoner, isn't it? That's good.
No, it's not good. You don't go to other countries and bargain by calling the other president you're a loser.
Yeah.
No, that's how you start wars.
What's his name?
Faith said the guy is gonna start World War III.
What's the
I wouldn't be surprised. Because he's annoying.
That while we will always put it on
He don't know how to, what's the word, debate. He don't know how to debate.
No.
He just turns and be like, you're a loser. You're gonna be in jail.
time for the end of that. What's that Boris Johnson, isn't it?
Boris is funny. This one ain't even funny. This one is just there like looking orange, saying,
He's on people in the house.
Anyway.
very, very historic.